Hey guys, hi, I'm Swati Singla and once again welcome to my channel. So guys, I hope you have tried your best to solve the last day's word and you must have solved that word. Right. So here let me just quickly explain a little bit about the series for those people who are new to the channel and who don't know what we are talking about. Right. So friends, we have started a series 30 words in 30-day series wherein I'll be giving you one scramble word each day and you'll have to unscramble it and provide that word in the comment section. Right, so this is the series which we have started. Right, and yes, of course, I'll be giving you one scramble word and I'll be providing you the details and the explanation the very next day. Right, so this is the series we are talking about. Okay, so let's move to our unscrambled word. Right, so the word which I gave you yesterday is this, and the correct word for this is here. Right, so I hope you definitely got it correct. So let's delve into the explanation. So our word is amid. Right, amid, amid. Guys, we this is a word which we use very commonly. This word is called like a connector. This word is like a connector key, which we don't use as a proper word meaning kind of word, but this word we use as a connector between two things or in a sentence. Right. So amid means in the middle of, among, surrounded by. amid means किसी चीज के बीच में या किसी चीज से घिरा हुआ होना, surrounded by किसी चीज से घिरा हुआ होना या किसी चीज के बीच में. Okay, so one thing here I want to mention here is there are two things, amid and between. Amid means among or between. So there is very thin line between these two words and I want to explain that line as well. So when do we use the word between? Whenever you have only two things to say कि इस इन दो चीजों के बीच में है, then we use the word between. And when there are more than one thing to say कि इस इन चीजों के बीच में है, then we use the word among. Like I'm sitting between my two friends. I'm sitting between Neha and Sneha. तो there are two people only, तो I'm talking about two people only, तो मैं उनके बीच में बैठी हूँ. I'm sitting between them. बट इफ आई वांट टू से मैं अपने दोस्तों के बीच में बैठी हूँ तो आई एम सिटिंग अमंग माय फ्रेंड्स, जो कि व्हेन देयर आर मोर देन टू फ्रेंड्स. Right, so we use between for two things only and we use the word among for more than two things. Okay, so here amid means more than two, ki in the middle of something, among, and surrounded by. So let's move to some examples. Examples are like they lived amid beautiful surroundings. तो वो लोग जहाँ रहते हैं उसके आसपास, सराउंडिंग्स है नहीं, उसके आसपास चारों तरफ बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सा सीन है, ब्यूटीफुल आसपास की चीजें बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. तो they lived amid beautiful surroundings. Wherever they are living, that place is very beautiful and they live amid that place. Right, next is I stood amidst the person. Again, amidst also the same thing as amid. Amidst का meaning भी same है जो amid का होता है. तो I stood amidst the familiar person. मैं familiar जान पहचान के लोगों के बीच में खड़ा हूँ. तो I stood amidst the familiar person. We can also use the word amid. I stood amid the familiar person. Both are correct. Okay, next is the visit took place amidst tight security. जो हम लोग कहीं पे गए वहां पर हमने कहीं विजिट किया, वो जब हमने किया तो वो बहुत एक टाइट सिक्योरिटी के बीच में हमने विजिट किया है. तो आर यू गेटिंग द सेंस व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट? जो हम कहीं पर गए एंड दैट विजिट वाज अमिड द टाइट सिक्योरिटी, कि आसपास में चारों तरफ बहुत ज्यादा टाइट सिक्योरिटी थी, हमने उसके बीच में. इफ वी गो प्रॉपर वर्ड टू वर्ड मीनिंग, तो टाइट सिक्योरिटी के बीच में जाके हमने विजिट किया, चारों तरफ बहुत टाइट सिक्योरिटी थी, एंड देन वी विजिटेड दैट प्लेस, राइट. सो द वर्ड इज अमिड, इन द मिडल ऑफ, अमंग और सराउंडेड बाय, यानी कि किसी चीज के बीच में. So, guys, once again, this is for those people who got it correctly, and this is for them uh, who are still trying and who will definitely figure it out. Okay, so time for the new word, and the new word for today's video is this, right on your screen. Okay, I hope you will definitely solve it, and I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time with the new word and with the explanation of this word. Okay, till then, see you. Thank you and bye.